What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning into the channel. I know I've been a little slow on videos again. I have like 3 or 4 videos to edit, but since I'm on new equipment, as you can see right now, I'm on a GoPro Hero 8 Black. The computer's been having a little bit of issue editing, so I had to take all my software and stuff onto my desktop to be able to edit it, and it's just a little bit more inconvenient to edit. But what we're gonna be doing today is a little bit of a facelift on the Altezza. We're gonna try to put on the front bumper and get the grill on and stuff. Don't know if we'll be able to get the 3-bar grill on today. I think for today we're just gonna put on the IS300 grill, and then later this week or next video we will put the 3-bar grill on, because I do want to have the 3-bar grill on when we're driving around taking it to meets and stuff. But when I sell it, that is something I do want to keep for myself, same as the blue tints, but I already took those off the car. Right now we're gonna go try test fitting on the bumper. Hopefully we can get it on without too much problems. Off camera we did move the intercooler piping a bit more in, so it won't hit the bumper as much. So hopefully we'll be able to get it on and make the car look complete, because right now it just looks like a project car. But to sell it, I definitely want it to be complete. I don't want to sell it with the bumper in the trunk or something like that. So for now, I'm going to be putting the IS300 grill that I had on it originally. That's the one I'm going to be selling the car with. But while I'm driving around now, I'm going to be putting the chrome grill. You guys can see it at this angle. This chrome 3-bar. While I drive it around now, I got it with no tabs. I got it for a really good price with no tabs. So my dad's gonna take it to work tomorrow and put the tabs on, and then we'll put it on the car. Alright guys, the bumper's on, the grill's on. Definitely looks a lot cleaner and more presentable. That's how it's sitting right now until we get the other grill fitted. Alright, so first we're gonna take off the grill that we literally just installed, but we're gonna take it back off. The IS300 grill off. Let's get the 3-bar in. There you go. That one worked. Well, the 3-bar is on. Let's put the screw here, wipe it down, and see how it looks outside. We are putting the car under the knife right now to get it ready for the Trust and Performance show tomorrow at my work. I'm gonna see if maybe today we can put the different intake. That way we can get it ready for the show, looking all nice, get it all cleaned up, and take it to its first show since it's had the swap. Well, not the swap, but the internal work. By the way, if any of you guys ever need any performance parts, hit us up at Trust and Performance. We are the turbocharging specialist. Let me know. Instagram me, DM me, YouTube comment me, email me, and we'll get you hooked. I'm talking intercoolers, blow-off valves. I'm talking piping. You need some piping for your exhaust, man? We got you. We got couplers. We got fittings. Let me know. We might have it. Let's get to work. Here's another test fit We're gonna do a little bit of trimming to kind of make this a little bit cleaner, but I think that looks a lot better than this pipe. What do you guys think? What random tools my dad has.
Old school pipe cutter.
Check that crap out. It's pretty much already through.
Yeah. Let me clean up the
That
edges.
is neat as hell. He pulled this out like, what is that? We cut a little bit off the coupler and a little bit off the piping. We're gonna leave it a little bit long because we want the Treadstone logo to show. For the Treadstone show, done by my dad. Custom. And yeah, I'm gonna put the clamps on now. It definitely looks a lot better than the old pipe and more complete. All right guys, so it's gonna get its first wash in about 3 years now, since now we have the bumper on, everything together. It is pretty dirty and dusty, so let's foam it down and get it ready for the show. Nice. You guys are gonna see firsthand me taking a shot of the car. Take it around the block real quick, spin the water off the wheels, and then wash it off. Ow, I just hit the freaking window with my GoPro. That just shows how clean this car is right now. I just did the left-hand drive thing. I went to put my wipers on it to the turn signal. If you guys want to see more POVs, I love driving this car with the GoPro in my head. Damn, I thought that was my car for a second. I was about to be like, I blew it up again. Do you ever want to see some POV, guys? Let me know, man. I love doing POVs with this car. guys, so this is the finished product of the wash today. Definitely looks clean. I don't even think I remember seeing this car clean. Engine bay I'm still gonna wipe down a little bit right before the show, but we got the new pipe on, cleaned up the engine cover a little bit, cleaned up the manifold, leaned out the car a little bit for tomorrow, and washed it. Everything is actually shiny. There's no dust and dirt everywhere. Actually looks clean. And for those of you who don't know, or just a reminder, the car is still for sale, but until it sells, we're going to be enjoying it, taking it to shows and stuff and making content on it. But yeah guys, this is how the car is sitting right now until the show tomorrow. So dropped my phone. So yeah guys, we are going to see you in the morning. Or what is this? This guy obviously likes the car too. Oh, here on my spoiler, it's a big boy. It's my finger. Nice. But as I was saying, I will see you guys tomorrow morning or in the next video, whatever decides to happen. Later guys.